Here at Align, we make extremely difficult precision parts that we make to drawings that will satisfy our customers' requirements. My name is Bill Buckley. I'm the supervisor in our shipping, receiving, inventory department, and I do purchasing at Align. I've been here 27 years. I've enjoyed every minute of it, and that's from my heart. I really do mean that. It's a wonderful place to work, and I'm looking forward to working with a bunch of the younger people that are coming in that are going to make this company successful. Align has a long history and a promising future. It truly does. We're at the beginning here with new equipment, a new clean room that we can expand on. And it would be a nice move for a young person to come in and start a career. Our manufacturing in the United States is extremely important. We have to continue to build on that. And this is a good place to start. The future looks extremely promising for Align.